Hi, this is Tony Javier, owner of a Ning 5000 rated real estate investment company. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I found this property, funded this property, and some sweet before and after pictures to show you what we did with it. If you are new to real estate, this should motivate you to start investing in real estate. And if you're currently a real estate investor, this should help you up your game and give you some things to add to your business. Before we start, if you want to learn more about how to invest in real estate or grow a business, hit the like and subscribe button. We put out multiple videos a week about business and real estate. Investing in real estate is simple, but not easy. To be successful in this business, you have to have the right strategy and the right team behind you. When I started back in 2001, I had no money, no college degree, and no experience. So if I can do it, you can too. And that's why I put these videos together, is to inspire you and show you how to do it. This property is located at 201 South Randall Street in Mount Hope, Kansas. This is actually a property outside my main market of Wichita, but I've actually found that properties that I've made the most money on are properties outside of a main market. We actually found this property from one of our motivated seller TV commercials. What I love about TV commercials is we get leads that no other people get. They're usually not on a list, and especially those properties that are outside the area. So when we buy these properties, the seller usually wants to downsize, move into a retirement home, or sell a house they inherited. Sometimes they also have financial issues. We are typically the quickest and easiest way for them to get their home sold and get cash in their hand. The seller of this property just wanted out. As you can see from the pictures, it was not in great shape, to put it nicely. We originally offered them $35,000, and after negotiations, we settled on $44,000, which we thought was still a good deal. We always tell the seller, we will buy your property as is, and they don't even need to clean up. We also close on the day of their choice. Things like this make it very enticing for the seller to want to sell to you at a discount. So we closed on this property, and after we did, we put over $68,000 into this house. Here are some before and after pictures to show you the transformation. Pretty incredible transformation, right? So let me show you the numbers on this house. We bought it for $44,000. We put $68,685.30 into it. We thought we would sell this house for $135,000, but after looking at the comps in the area, we listed at $160,000, $25,000 above, and we actually got $20,000 more. We got $180,000 for this house. After commissions, holding costs, and closing costs, we made $67,314.70, which is massively higher than the $20,000 profit we had projected. Not bad for 131 days of owning this house. So I want to take a moment to share with you 10X TV. It is the buzz in the real estate investing world right now. And guess what? I was one of the first to do TV commercials over a decade ago. If you want high quality motivated seller leads that are asking you to do business with you instead of you reaching out to them, go to claimmymarket.com. and we will show you our TV launch formula. We have the shows and stations that we know work. We have the scripts that we know work. We've basically taken the formula that I've created over the last decade plus that I've been doing TV commercials, and we are now plugging it in for over 100 real estate investors around the country. And if you want to be one of those as well, reach out to us, claimmymarket.com. If you want a 10X your marketing, go and apply and see if we have a spot in your market. Now back to the video. The great thing about this is that I didn't have to meet the seller. I never stepped into the property. I did manage the contractor and never went into this house. I actually live in San Diego, California, while my team handles all of this in Wichita, Kansas. So if you want to learn more about how I do this and build a team, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so we can show you more of these videos. I actually flip one of these houses every single week. I've been fortunate enough to build and grow many 7- and 8-figure businesses and I love sharing how I do it. Many people think it takes money to make money. While that's true, it doesn't mean it has to be your money. We actually fund these deals with other people's money. We've done over 1,000 of these deals, totaling over $100 million, and we couldn't do it without our investors. We pay them a nice return for being able to use their money. So thanks for watching. If you really like this video, you're gonna love this one too.